1 week I will be in India. But tonight I'm just at home in Sweden cooking some chicken, snow outside, a completely normal Saturday evening. It's funny how life goes on as usual, even if something exciting is just around the corner. Yes, my friends, it's only 1 week to my flight to India. And yeah, I'm actually going to hit the gym now. And I will show you what I do a typical Saturday here in Sweden. So now it's February 21. And I fly on the 28th of February to Delhi. But this video will be a Saturday evening in my life. So first we will go to the gym and we will do some small workout, and then afterwards we will go to ICA Maxi and buy some green tea and a semla, I think. And maybe I will talk a little bit about my Indian trip as well. Whoa! And I'm trying out a new camera as well. DJI Pocket 4 actually. So see if it's any good. The most important thing I think is the sound quality. So I don't really know what I will talk about in this video. I will see. And you may ask some questions maybe. Just comment down below if you want me to talk about something in upcoming video. I think I will do one more video before I heading to the airport of Landvetter. So yeah. But now we are going to the gym. Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock in the evening. So what I have been doing today is I've been cooking and cooking, preparing for a work week actually. I'm working 6 days before I'm leaving to India. Yeah, so I work tomorrow, Sunday. Maybe you see this video today, Sunday, or when you ever see it. So then I'm at work actually, and then I work 6 weeks before I'm off to India. So that's maybe the hard side of traveling. You need your money somehow. So you work your ass off for a couple of months, years, and then you can go for a couple of weeks wherever you want. I'm going to India now, so next trip maybe another place. But you know, if you saw my earlier video about this year planning, so you can watch that. Maybe I will put it up here or somewhere. The plan of 2026. Yeah, I think this video will be just me rambling and show you the neighborhood of Gothenburg, where this is like I do almost every day actually. Yeah, so it's not just a Saturday. I do almost this every day. Maybe I don't go to ICA Maxi and buy a semla every day, but I go to the gym almost every day actually. So yeah, but it's always busy, this gym. It's like always busy. But I can go 6 in the morning, it's always people here. And I can go in the evening, like a Saturday evening. What do people do here in Sweden? They go to the gym, I think. So yeah, let's hit the gym and see if we can do some great for our body before we just destroy our body again with some semla. Well, semla is better than beer maybe. So if you don't know semla, you will see what a semla is in the end of the video. So let's hit the gym. Yes, we are ready for the semla after yeah, 40 minutes of a good workout. Mostly back and arms actually. So now we are going to Ica Maxi and trying to find ourselves some pleasure in a semla. Yeah, semla. So let's go to Ica Maxi. Yeah, you can also go to another food store here as well, but they don't have that many selection of semla. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, what more can I say? Yeah, so India in 1 week. This is going to be exciting. I can say. A little bit different from this video, I think. So I think everything is ready now, actually, almost. The only thing I need to do before is you have to fill in like a digital arrival card 74 hours before you arrive to India. So that is the thing I need to do before. And I also going to buy a ticket for Taj Mahal before as well. So this is only the two things I have left for like paperworks or what you can call it. Otherwise just packing will just take a few minutes. So yeah. So so this video is all me only rambling. It's like trying out this camera and this mic. DJI. A lot of DJI stuff now. Yeah. But let's go to Ica Maxi and see if we can find ourselves one semla. Maybe two semlas. No, one semla is enough, I think. Or what you guys think? Should I buy two? Yeah, but let's go to Ica Maxi. Yeah. So should I go for a cinnamon bun semla or a regular semla? Actually, I think I will go for this one. Or this one. Or this one. I think I go for this one. And we're also going for a green tea, mango green tea. My favorite tea. Here we have it. This one is the green gold for me. Yeah. So this thing will be my Saturday evening. A green tea and semla and maybe some Pepsi. Yay! On my way home. Yeah, this is my treasure for the evening. 2 semlas and a lot of green tea. But I will not drink all the green tea tonight. Yay. We are eating some chicken with cheese and some mayo, jalapeno, lime. And I think I will watch some YouTube actually also. Now we are using DJI Osmos Pocket. And see here what we can find for YouTube. I think I will see something from Brazil actually. So this is what I usually do on a Saturday. I go to the gym and then watch some movies, YouTube. Older backpacker. Have you seen him? I don't think I will watch him at the moment, but I will show you what I'm going to watch for you. It's Carnival season in Brazil, so I will watch Yeah, jumping places. I will see. Yeah, yeah, they are. I think they are Brazilian couple or Portugal. Yeah, the girl is Brazilian and the guy is from Portugal or something. So that is my Saturday evening. So maybe next year I will be in the carnival. It's on my bucket list. But now I'm going to eat and yeah, and eat and I will show you the semla and then I will call it a night. Maybe this video is not so much about India. It's more about my normal day of life. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. Maybe I will talk about more about India. This was yeah. See you and try a semla if you are in Sweden. Ciao. And some tea. Cheers, skål.